So, hello, it's Monday, 2nd of December, and I feel called to do a meditation this morning. I was going to do it inside, and then I heard this excitement outside of the birds. I'm hoping you can hear them. And it almost feels like spring. There's this excitement in the air, in nature. The birds are speaking to each other, and it's the most beautiful, bright, crystal day. You see, most of the leaves have gone. We are very much definitely in Vata season. So, we'll do a little meditation. So when you're ready, just find a lovely, quiet, comfortable, warm place to sit or to lay. And just let all the worries of the day, any thoughts, any things you've got to work out, just let them go. And if you can hear these beautiful birds, just tune in to these beautiful birds and to nature. And your inner world. And just let everything else outside of you fade away. And I'd just like you to feel your body. Just feel how your body is today. And don't judge it. If you feel stress or tension, that's okay. Just notice it and let it go. Now feel your breath and feel your breathing. Just notice your in-breath through your nose and the out-breath through your nose. And the in-breath and the out-breath. And just keep with this. And if on the out-breath you'd like to breathe through your mouth and even do a sigh and allow any stress or tension to move, please do. So the in-breath and the out-breath. Just let it all go. Just let it all go. So just tune into your body again and feel how it is. Feel the substance of your body, feel the weight of it. And feel how held it is by whatever you're sitting or lying on. So feel this as support. So not just from the chair or the bed, wherever you are, but from life and the universe. And in your mind's eye, imagine a beautiful place in nature. And just really, really begin to feel how that feels. So notice what season it is. Feel the season. Can you feel the sun? Or is it a crisp day and you can feel your breath as you breathe out? I'm hoping that the mic's picking up these beautiful birds, and so just if you can hear the birds or have your own birds wherever you are. So we're going to go through all the senses. So really, really visualize this beautiful place, this peaceful place. Look at the colours. Or you might want to touch something. You may even want to sit down. You might want to touch a tree. You might want to take your shoes off and feel the ground. Might be grass. It might be sand. Maybe near water, near a lake or the sea. Whatever is in your natural sanctuary. And as you're either sitting or walking or just simply being in this beautiful place, see what you feel on your skin. Do you feel a breeze? Do you feel the warmth of the sun? And how does that feel? And see what you may smell. Is it a fragrant garden? Are there any sweet smelling roses or jasmines? Can you smell the salt of the sea? Or maybe it's a very woody, foresty smell. Just notice what it is for you. So we're just going to take a moment here, taking in these beautiful senses, the smells, the sights, the sounds, the sensations. And it can even be the taste. This is so directly linked to our smell, aroma. See if you can actually taste this place. And if you could taste it, what would it taste like? So just stay with yourself. Notice how you feel. Know this is a place that you can come back to anytime you like. It's within you. And when you're ready, you just become more aware of your physical body. Be aware that we're coming to the end of the meditation. You might have a lovely breath release. Maybe wiggle your fingers and your toes. You might like a big stretch. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. So thank you. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for taking this time and space for you. And whatever time of day it is that you're watching this, I wish you a beautiful rest of the day, afternoon or evening.